In the modern digital economy, many are looking for ways to supplement their income through side hustles. The rise of mobile applications has transformed how we earn money, and Google has introduced a hidden gem that many users overlook. This video will explore Google Opinion Rewards, an app that enables users to earn money through surveys and market research. While the promise of earning $25.35 every 30 minutes might seem ambitious, understanding the app's workings can help you maximize your earnings. Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is a market research tool developed by Google. Launched in 2013, it allows users to participate in surveys in exchange for monetary rewards. The app leverages the insights of everyday consumers to help businesses understand market trends, preferences, and opinions. The beauty of this app lies in its simplicity. Users can earn rewards while sharing their honest opinions on various topics, from new product launches to advertising effectiveness. Although it's not a secret app, many people are unaware of its potential, leading to underutilization of this easy income source. Installation. Available for free on the Google Play Store, downloading and installing the app is the first step. Profile setup. Upon installation, you'll be prompted to create a profile. This includes answering questions about your age, gender, income level, and interests. The more complete your profile, the better the surveys you'll receive. Survey invitations. The app sends notifications when surveys are available. Depending on your profile, you may receive invitations several times a week. Earnings. After completing a survey, the rewards are credited to your Google Play account. You can redeem these rewards for Google Play credits, which can be used for apps, games, or movies. While the promise of earning $25.35 every 30 minutes might not always hold true, the app can still be lucrative for dedicated users. Here's a breakdown of potential earnings. Survey frequency. Users can expect to receive anywhere from 1 to 5 surveys a week, but this can vary. Some users report receiving more, especially if they live in urban areas where businesses seek consumer insights. Survey value. The payout for surveys typically ranges from 10 cents to $1, with the occasional higher-paying survey for more extensive research. The duration of surveys can vary, with shorter surveys taking just a few minutes to complete. Maximizing your earnings. To increase your earning potential with Google Opinion Rewards, consider these strategies. Complete your profile. When setting up your profile, take the time to provide thorough and accurate information. Google uses this data to match you with relevant surveys. For instance, if you frequently purchase tech gadgets, indicating that in your profile may result in more tech-related surveys. Respond quickly. Surveys can fill up quickly. Google often limits the number of participants for each survey. If you receive a notification, act fast to secure your spot. Users who regularly check the app may find they can complete more surveys than those who only check sporadically. Stay active. Engagement is key. Regularly using the app not only keeps you informed about new surveys but may also enhance your profile. The app might prioritize users who frequently participate, leading to more opportunities. Be honest. Honesty in your responses is crucial. Survey companies value genuine feedback, and inconsistent answers can disqualify you from future surveys. Your reliability can also lead to better survey offers down the line. Participate in other Google programs. Google offers various programs beyond Opinion Rewards that can help you earn more. For example, you can explore Google Play Points, which allows you to earn points through purchases on Google Play, redeemable for rewards. Additionally, participating in promotions or beta testing new Google products can yield additional income. Refer friends. Some survey apps, including Google Opinion Rewards, may offer referral bonuses. If you can invite friends to join the app, you might receive bonus credits once they complete a certain number of surveys. Safety and privacy considerations. With any app that collects personal information, it's essential to consider privacy and security. Data privacy. Google's robust privacy policy governs how your information is collected and used. Survey responses are anonymized, ensuring that personal data is protected. However, users should remain aware of the types of information they share and make informed decisions about their participation. Legitimate earnings. It's vital to distinguish between legitimate survey apps and scams. Google Opinion Rewards is free to use and does not require upfront payments or unnecessary personal information. In contrast, many scams may request payment or personal details beyond what's needed for surveys. Account security. For added security, enable two-factor authentication on your Google account. This simple step can protect your account from unauthorized access, safeguarding your earnings and personal information. Understanding risks. As with any online activity, there are inherent risks, such as data breaches or account hacking. It's prudent to regularly review account activity and report any suspicious behavior to Google immediately. Alternatives to Google Opinion Rewards. If you're exploring additional avenues for earning money through surveys or online tasks, consider these reputable alternatives. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular rewards programs that pays users for various online activities, including taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping. Users earn Swagbucks points that can be converted into gift cards or cash via PayPal. With various earning methods, it offers flexibility and variety, making it an appealing option for users looking to maximize their earnings. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays users cash for completing online tasks such as taking surveys, reading emails, and watching videos. The platform is known for its straightforward cash payment model, making it easy for users to understand their earnings. Additionally, Inbox Dollars often provides new users with a sign-up bonus, boosting initial earnings. 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie focuses primarily on surveys and is known for its user-friendly interface. Users earn points for completing surveys, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. With an extensive database of surveys, it's a great option for those looking to dedicate time to market research. 4. User Testing. User Testing is a unique platform that pays users to provide feedback on websites and apps. This involves recording your screen while you navigate a website and sharing your thoughts. Each test typically pays between $10 to $60, significantly enhancing earning potential compared to standard survey apps. This platform is ideal for users who enjoy providing detailed feedback on digital experiences. 5. Vindale Research. Vindale Research offers users the opportunity to earn cash for taking surveys, watching videos, and referring friends. The platform is noted for its higher payout rates compared to many competitors, and users can earn additional bonuses for completing specific tasks. Google Opinion Rewards presents a legitimate opportunity for users to earn extra cash through simple market research tasks. While the notion of earning $25.35 every 30 minutes may be overly optimistic for the average user, consistent participation can lead to a noteworthy supplementary income. Understanding how to maximize your earnings through this app can significantly enhance your overall experience and financial benefits.